Okay, I'm spraying my wet it and forget it out here. See these rocks, these little border things, they're supposed to be white. Now, I haven't pressure cleaned them and I have not put the wet it and forget it on. And I'm going to do it now because I want to see how long it takes. You can see that one right there. I already sprayed wet it and forget it from that point to the left. You can see it's already eating away at it. And now I'm going to spray it on here, and then we're going to see how long it actually takes to eat all that away. All right, now I've got it all wet. And we're going to find out how long it takes for this chemical alone without pressure cleaning to get rid of all this mold. Now, I soaked it really good. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, this is the concrete that my trash cans sit on. As you can see, I'm going to just apply wet it and forget it on this, and we're going to find out how long it takes to get this to look good. I'm trying to do experiments because they say you could use this without pressure cleaning at all. I always like to pressure clean first, then maintain it once a year with wet it and forget it. Okay, let me get this all wet. All right, I'm gonna check it every 24 hours or so and see how long it actually takes to do this without pressure cleaning it. All right, I got one good, really heavy coat on here. All right, let me come back to it in 24 hours. Okay, this is about 22 hours since I sprayed it. And no rain last night. Okay, this is also about 22 hours since I sprayed it. And no rain last night. All right, this is the third day. Okay, this is the third day. Seems to be improvement. Remember now, this is just the wet it and forget it without pressure cleaning. Okay, this is about a week. This has also been about a week. Okay, here it is with just the wet it and forget it. About a month later, it didn't do very well. I'm a fan of pressure cleaning first, then apply the wet it and forget it, and it will stay clean for a year. Okay, now these are the same bricks that I did with just the wet it and forget it. They don't look bad. And that's without pressure cleaning. But again, I still like to do the pressure cleaning first, then the wet it and forget it, and it lasts about a year. This is what it looked like when I started. I sprayed the wet it and forget it without pressure cleaning. And this is what it looks like 30 days later. I encourage you to pressure clean first, then use wet it and forget it. pressure clean first. Okay, also, these stones I pressure cleaned 2 years ago. But every year, I hit it with the wet it and forget it. And I never have to pressure clean again. All right, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, give me a thumbs up. You can buy the products in the description.